When it comes to making money on YouTube, you need to step back, you need to focus on the real advice that makes you money here on YouTube. Not everyone, practically no one ever, will ever be Mr. Beast or PewDiePie or grow into these celebrities or these YouTubers that you see on YouTube. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a marketer. I'm a person that finds problems and then solves those problems with solutions that is helpful content here on YouTube. This is the real advice for the majority of the people, probably to include you. For sure, it includes me, that make money from YouTube. We find a problem, we identify that problem, and then we focus on creating helpful content that is the solution. Now, when you take a look at my Affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-Step Roadmap, this is essentially all I ever do here on the channel, is I talk about the 3 steps of my proven top strategy, the 3 pillars. You need traffic, then you need to think about an offer, then you need to think about adding people to an email list. Pick a topic. Tools, tech, and time. Tools, tech, and time. Tools and technology is the perfect place. Real advice here. The perfect place for me to step back and say, how many videos can I make that show people how to solve this problem? This problem alone. Tools, tech, and time. Consistent content. This is basically, this step right here, this is basically every how to get views on YouTube channel that you've ever seen, is they talk about staying consistent or being consistent or showing up to make consistent content. That is all this is. All you simply need to do is go to YouTube. Now go back once you have a strategy like this and you understand to build a profitable online business and you want to use YouTube as a traffic source to show people your offer and then to add people to an email list. And then once you build that email list, you automate it, and then you think about profit and scaling an online business by looking at other ways, maybe other traffic sources, but come back to YouTube and think, I'm going to use it as a traffic source, and then just go to YouTube and type in how to create, and use the word create, and then say a blog for affiliate marketing, a blog, a Apple ID, an app, an avatar for VR chat, an account on PS5, an animation video in mobile, an Amazon account, an alter ego, an app for free. All of these are things that you could create. Just this one question opens up a whole realm of possibility for you to create consistent content and build a profitable online business from this one topic, this one question that needs to be answered. You could drill down and you could have AI help you, or you could just sit down and say, I'm going to learn everything that I can about this one question. Pick one of these questions and learn everything that I can, and then address the problems, show a solution, find an offer that ultimately addresses the solution, whether it be more training, whether it be training that you create, whether it's some type of application that you create on your own, or some type of other software or templates, some type of digital product, or it could even be a physical product if that be the case. Then you come back and you say, how to create a Apple ID, Amazon storefront, accessory, and Roblox, avatar for VR chat. You dive deep. You get consistent in creating content. You focus on this problem. You focus on what other problems resolve around this problem, and you pull in all those, and you become an expert. You do what I call the LDT model. You learn. So if you already know something about it, you already know. But you're going to need to learn a little bit more as you continue to grow to keep solving that problem or to keep up to date on that problem. You're going to continue to learn. Then you're going to do. So you're going to do the thing that you're learning. So if you go back to this list, how to create an Amazon seller account, you're going to do that. You're going to create a seller account and learn and keep up to date on all the news and the changes and the things that are going on around an Amazon seller or being an Amazon seller and having an Amazon seller account. And that's your topic. Then you come back and then you teach that. So effectively, you have 3 pillars, just like in my proven top strategy. You need traffic to an offer and add people to an email list. That's what builds your profitable online business. But the LDT model is how you create and generate the content or build an audience or get traffic to your offer, is by creating that content and staying consistent and focusing on a problem. picking a problem that becomes your topic and then saying, this is where the money is. The money is in creating this helpful content. Now, for me, you come to my channel, and again, I'm showing you products like Lead Creator, how to create lead magnets. This is a piece of software that fits perfectly into my profitable online business roadmap, where I've created a proven strategy of traffic to an offer, add people to an email list. That's my topic, how to make money online. You need a profitable, or you need a proven strategy to build a profitable online business, and there's 9 steps. In this one, we're talking about generating traffic, picking a topic. We're talking about looking at tools, tech, and the time that it would take to create all these things, and how all these things can become consistent content, and that's the key. The key to the first step, the first pillar, which is traffic, and that's the real secret. The real advice, if I could give you any, is to forget everything else. Anything that anyone has ever told you about making money online, and go back and look at the proven top strategy and only focus on creating a traffic source. Here on YouTube, create a traffic source by going back and saying, clear the board, forget offer, forget people. I'm going to focus on picking a topic, go to YouTube and say how to create, how to fix, how to, and enter something around something that you either know or you want to learn more about, you want to do, and then you ultimately want to teach. And then you utilize the tools, tech, and the time that I show you here. You need something like Lead Creator to create a super simple lead magnet that's going to come later. But understand, that's my business. My business is built on the tools, tech, and time that you need, and that's what I show you. And then I focus on letting you know that you need to create consistent content. That's your focus. Your focus is traffic and traffic alone. If I could get you to focus on traffic for 6 months to a year, everything else above here to create an offer comes like that, because you know exactly what your topic is. You know exactly what offer solves the problem for that topic and all the people. The people, step number 3, that you're going to add to that email list, boom, 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 it falls together that easily, that quickly. But let's go back to YouTube, because I want to show you something. How to configure Lucent 7750. You have no idea what that is, most likely, and it doesn't matter, but it is a problem. It's also a topic. I was in IT for 30 years. 8 years ago, I was working on these for a company that I was working for, and I created this video. 7750 intro. 20,000 views 8 years ago. It's a channel called Gary Lynn Baker. That's me. It's my channel. At the time, I was in IT, and I was going to create an IT channel. I sort of just burned out on that whole IT thing after 30 years, and I said, I don't want to do that anymore, but I knew it would work. I got 20,000 views off of that traffic by picking one thing that needed to be solved. 7075 or 7750 intro, basically how to configure a Lucent 7750, an introduction. I didn't know anything about YouTube SEO or any of that. I just titled it exactly what I thought it was, a 7750 intro. And I made a 8-minute video, 8 minutes and about 30 seconds. And I made a video and it got 20,000 views, lots of comments. I abandoned the whole project. It's still up there just for the sake of me remembering where I was 8 years ago. And then I came back and I developed what you have now, or what you see here. I have my proven top strategy that starts with traffic, and it starts with picking a topic, needing tools, tech, and time, and then saying, I need consistent content. Then I need to address the fact that people need a solution to that problem, and I can lead them over to an offer, and I do that with a super simple lead magnet. Well, what that leads me into, and what you've seen here on the channel, me showing off tools like Lead Creator, which creates simple lead magnets, also tools like System.io. There's links in the descriptions to all these things, because these are tools that you will need, but remember, you don't need them right now. The real focus is on step number 1 to generate traffic here on YouTube by picking a topic. Real advice. Real advice. Don't do anything other than pick a topic. Understand the tools and the technology you need. You need a microphone. You need some way to record your screen. You need to have a webcam if you want to show your face, which I recommend you do, but is not required. Then you need to create consistent content. The focus, and the real advice here is the last step to generate traffic or to utilize YouTube as a traffic source. Real advice for making money online with YouTube. Think of YouTube for what it is, a traffic source for you to build a profitable online business. by solving a problem that helps people with a problem that they have. Help people solve their problems. That's what you're going to do here on YouTube. You're not going to think about being a YouTuber. You're not going to think about, and I don't talk about, if you are and you want to be an entertaining YouTuber and you want to make funny skit videos, then the videos that I talk about, or the tools and the things that I talk about here on my channel about building a profitable online business, most likely aren't going to apply to you until you realize that, hey, I'm stepping over pennies, or I'm stepping over dollars to pick up pennies. You're stepping over the dollars to pick up pennies by going and thinking that YouTube is where the money is, or getting views, or being part of the YouTube Partner Program. And I'll tell you right now, I enjoy being a member and a YouTube partner because I enjoy the AdSense revenue. It does fluctuate, it goes up and down, but it's nice to get paid for creating content and generating leads, or showing people my offers and then adding people to an email list and then following up with them, because that is where the real money is. The real money is understanding that the focus has to be on models like understanding strategy, or a model like the LDT model. You're going to learn a skill, or if you already have a skill, you're going to learn more about it. You're going to do that thing that you're learning or that you already know. Then you're going to teach it to other people. That's where the money's at. In marketing, or in the world of sales, lots of people call that selling shovels. It's akin to being a real estate agent and then setting up, or like an Alex Hormozy, or like a Gary Vaynerchuk, or anyone else out there that's a popular influencer. They learned all they could about doing the thing that they were doing. Then they did it and they found success. They also had a lot of failure. And now they teach that. They teach that to other people, kind of like the same thing I'm doing here. If you want to learn more about the LDT model and how that works and how it fits into my proven top strategy to use YouTube as a traffic source to build a profitable online business, link in the description, LDT model. Check it out. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.